This is delicious. Peanut chicken lettuce wraps with a special twist. Half a cup of peanut butter. Chunky. All right, half a cup of water. A quarter cup hoisin. And we need a tablespoon of that. That's what it looks like. 4 tablespoons of lime juice, and we're gonna separate it. So 2 is gonna go in this. So now I'm gonna get this mixture going. You want 12 ounces of chopped rotisserie chicken. All right, so we're gonna mix in 3/4 cups. Look at that. So 1 medium carrot. This delicious chili pepper. I like to add red cabbage. I'm gonna put some onion in here, and I want it a little finer. So cilantro, it honestly just called for big, like torn pieces. We're gonna add a little salt and pepper. We're gonna mix this in. I am so excited to taste this, you guys. So now we're gonna incorporate everything. So let's add in our other 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So here is the little baby romaine. There is your lettuce wrap. And then here was my little secret, some Utz potato sticks. What? That is purely optional. All right, let me give it a try. This is delicious.